Vanakkam. Good evening, everyone. Thank you, media, for coming here, everyone else too. And this is my first debut Tamil movie, and I don't know Tamil yet, so I'm just going to speak in English, and apologies for that. I hope probably in the coming years there's more work, and I probably, get to speak Tamil very fluently. Um, so I've seen Tamil industry has given so many legendary people all over in the Indian cinema, for the Indian cinema. And I'm standing here right now and I'm beginning my journey. It just feels very privileged and blessed to be standing here and even that feeling that I'm starting with this journey and all the great artists have come from here and we all know that. I don't even have to specify that. So thank you so much, and I would really like to thank Aditya sir, Real Good Films Production, for giving me this chance to be, the part of this film. And I would really like to thank even Vijay sir. He has been a very dedicated actor. He is very spontaneous, I've seen, and he's just very natural when it comes to his craft. I've seen that, and that's a very commendable thing. Also, thank you, Tamil sir, director sir. He was also very soft spoken. He made sure that I'm comfortable, and he made sure that I'm doing the scenes very perfectly, and even the dialogues that I'm delivering, those are also well presented on screen. Um, I know I'm missing a lot of people, but then I know a few names. I'm just going to take the names. Mahindran Jayaraju sir, even he showed me a few tricks where I can just cheat a little bit and be more presentable on screen. And Krish sir, yes, this choreographer sir. So he was also very spontaneous. He told me to be very spontaneous, very natural on screen, so that that beauty shots really come out very well. And Preeti, she's I just talked to her. I know that in the movie Ayodhi, I've really heard of it, and I've watched the trailer as well out of curiosity to know who the actress is. And I'm sure that everyone knows that she's a brilliant actress as well. And thank you for the entire team of Election. Election is the title itself. It is it's very exciting. It shows, it speaks volumes. So I'm just very excited for being the part of this film, and thank you so much. And for the audiences, I would really like to say that I have worked, I've done my best in the whatever character that was given to me, and I'm genuinely hoping that people really like me. And so thank you so much. Thanks.